Yeah. Man, it just keeps getting bigger and bigger. Got another one. Oh. Oh. Just a little bit bigger. Okay, I walked through all that damn mess. Let's hope it was somewhat worth it. So I'm pretty sure I heard about 30 frogs hair off and probably good 2 snakes. It's a little freaky. Well, this little pond might produce a little pond here. We'll find out. Alright. Yep, truck's gone. Oh, something got me. Something had me. I think we should hold on. But it definitely had me. Last thing you want to take my bait off. You know what it took me to get over here? You know how smart I should have been to bring more bait? Do you think I'm that intelligent you freaking fish? Come on now. Why would it make any sense to bring extra bait with me? Oh, something's running with my bait. Gotcha. Well, looky. Got me a nice little bass. Good looking guy. Right underneath this bridge. There we go. Cute little dude. Got him with that little zoom bait. Alright, well we got one over here for today. Let's see if we can't snake. Ooh, I thought that was a snake. Goodness gracious, y'all. Lord have mercy, I thought I was a fool and just walked up on a snake. Goodness gracious. Looking bow drill wood though. Alright, let's try to catch this a second. Maybe we'll catch us a little sunfish. Oh, I got me another one. Woo! Lord have mercy. Alright. Would you chill out? Perfect. Every time, this thing works so good. Give it back to me. Alright, well there goes another beautiful baby. Oh, good color. Healthy. I've never been caught before either. That's good. I like when I go places and catch fresh fish. Good stuff. Yum. Alright. Let's let this little guy go too. There he goes. Alright, now before he goes over there and warns his buddy, let's see if we can catch another one. Holy God! We got another one. Oh. Alright, he's a little bit bigger. Calm down. Calm down. Another great hook set. What is that? Perfect. Alright. Oh, they're getting bigger and bigger every time. Good stuff. Oh, what'd I get that time? Look at that. Little sunny fish. Little sunny fish. There we go. Setting the rod and reel down here where it don't get too filthy. That's the guy I got. Good looking little dude. I think I can pull another one out of here. Perfect. I'm gonna at least try. No, you don't want to see me pull another one out from underneath this bridge. Okay, I'm going to drop it off this rock shelf and hopefully get hit. Oh, it just happened. It just happened. Perfect plan. Got you. Oh yeah, that was good. Come here. There we go, there we go. Hitting them hard. Goodness gracious, found me a nice little honey hole. Alright, let's let them go. I really want to set this down. Alright, caught me a few bass and whoop. Alright, that was good to me too, homie. Deuces. Well, caught me a few bass, caught me some fish. Reach down here, get some of the fish off of me. And I'm gonna make my way back over here to my truck. We're gonna go find us somewhere else to go, man. See you in a bit. Oh, little guy on. Got him. Got me the littlest guy ever. Look at that little guy. That is definitely a little dude. Goodness gracious. The guy's so tiny. It's ridiculous. But he ate it. He ate it. Well, I just got one. But I was trying to catch one. Oh, we got another little guy. There we go. Two little guys. Let's let them go though. Okay, let's see if we can catch us another one. Get us a little something here. We're gonna fight over it. They were certainly trying to nibble my little bait off. Freaking guys. Let's get him strung back on there. Over there. I'm getting a bite already. Oh, I got another little guy. There he goes. Alright, there goes some more of them little baby guys. Well, that dude hit my boot like 5 times. I think he was trying to eat me. Oh, do you really got it? Yeah, you do. Alright. Let's switch over to some bonehead lures. Got this little purple guy on there. Hope you can see that in the sun. Good little tiny guy. Well, there he goes. I'll go back over to his little spot. Let's see if I can get down here. Looks like a little much, but I'm gonna give her a go. Ho, 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 ho. That's a little bit of looseness. Good God. This stuff is deadly. Wow. Impressive stuff to have to walk through. Huh. Here it is to make it easier. I hope. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Thank goodness. It looked really sketchy for a second there. I thought I was going to have to walk through that. Good. No dirty, nasty graffiti to have to edit out. If there's any type of fishable water, we'll find out. See all these fish. There's a bigger catfish and a bunch of smaller ones. Wow. A little further and see what happens. Oh, he got me. He got me. Oh, oh, come here, you little fat monkey. Oh, good Lord. He's a good one. He's a good one. Oh gosh, short and fat like crazy. Oh my goodness, he's a beauty. A freaking beauty. Got you. Oh yeah, another fatty. Got a good nose hook on that one. Yeah, there we go. Good little fat guy. Good stuff. Yeah, man, it'll keep getting bigger and bigger. Lordy. Okay, that one's pretty fat. What y'all think about that? Oh, let's release this little dude. Bye-bye, little guy. There you go. So the bridge I came down, I guess this is the original one. Their spot had a good amount of bass and good fish, catfish, sunfish and everything else, carp. But I'm not seeing very many fish on this side. Thanks for coming around with me with another Real Killer Fishing Day adventure. Appreciate y'all coming by the channel. Make sure you hit that subscription button, smash that thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and press all. That'll give you all notifications of all my videos, upcoming premieres, and everything. Want y'all have a great week of work. Want y'all be good to yourselves, be good to each other. Get out into nature. Enjoy it by yourself, enjoy it with friends, family, neighbors. Just get out and relax. Do something for yourself. As always, the thing I need y'all to do most is get out there and get bent.